Hello guys, good morning. Tingnan mo yung hairstylist ni Arlene Juan, dalawa. Yan o. Mahal ang bayad ng dalawang hairstylist niya na yan. Yan.
Bibing pa naman.
Kasi ka-graduate niya, puro bibing pa man ang nag-hairstyle niyan. Yung isa si Bibing na Binis, graduate na rin yan. Ayan yung isa si Bibing Juan.
Wow, may chin siya.
Yan guys.
Tulis.
Grabe naman yan. Ganyan pala pag nag-graduate, maraming nag-aayos.
Katutubo naman tayo din. Talian mo na lang ng daw ng ilog.
Hello guys! Ayan, pupunta na kami sa graduation ng panganay namin. Hello, Beng! Ayan. Yung aking pamangkin ni Mr. yun, si Bibing Binis. Si Irene Juan. Hi, Irene Juan! Ayan, si Mang Juan.
Kung pwede mo siyang pa-exercise.
Hello!
So talaga makakita. Tapos sa likod ng meron.
Bye!
Kasundo din sila. Ano ng Diyos. Maging okay.
Ano yung blue na yan? Ayan.
Candidates for graduation in the following programs, field of specializations and specialized crafts. For Bachelor of Science in Business at 96. Major in Business Economics, 51.
Are not always the most brilliant, but the most consistent and sincere. In time, as public servant, hindi ang rank or award ang mas tumatang sa akin, kundi yung mga pagkakataon na may natulungan ng LGU, SUC, o empleyado.
Bacot Diana May A.
Lane C. Correct. Oliver Eugene G. Lacandazo Karen O. Logatiman Linen A. Lozano Christine Ann R.
Ideals and principles which our university stands for. In the service of our beloved country, our fellow men and God.
Para kang si ano.
Ng Palawan State University. Please remain standing for the exit of colors. The recessional of the 55th commencement exercises of Palawan State University, led by the University President, Dr. Juan M. Lopez, and guest speaker, Honorable Ricky L. Sanchez. This concludes the 55th commencement exercises of Palawan State University. Congratulations! We will now ask all the students to proceed with the recessional as we have practiced, starting with the students here in front. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang Palawan State University. Mabuhay